Calimera, everybody.
Hey, hi, how are you doing?
So this video is designed to show you how much it costs us to live for the day and therefore for the week in Greece. So we're going to go and buy breakfast, lunch and dinner at two of our local supermarkets. One is the Lidl, which is literally behind us. And the other one, can you remember the name of it?
Yeah, Piperis.
Yeah, it's part of, it's a butcher that's in OK Supermarket. There's a couple of them on the island and they're really nice, aren't they?
Yeah, they are really nice.
So
really good meat.
Yeah, absolutely. What we tend to do is buy lots of our fruits and vegetables and groceries in the Lidl because they get really nice stuff, don't they? It's seasonal, isn't it? So you get
the top quality stuff that's in season at the time.
Yes, yeah, so there'll be like lots of peaches, lots of cucumbers, whatever's in season at the time, lots of tomatoes, and the quality of it is really good. And we like getting the meat to put on the barbecue from the butcher, which we're going to show you soon. So yeah, we're going to go and do that. We've got some got shopping bags.
We do.
You might recognise the logo, which we're really happy with. So we're going to go and fill them up and show you just how much it costs us. This is our journey to Lidl. Let's go. So we're going to start with our breakfast. This is our local Lidl.
Nice bakery section.
You want to grab some croissants? Yeah, you read Greek, don't you? Does that say croissant?
I haven't actually learned croissant.
I reckon it does.
But yeah,
Hazelnut
hazelnut.
croissant.
Yeah, got quite good it's in English.
Okay, can we grab two of those? It's barely done.
Yeah.
So that's a cheap breakfast, isn't it? Because the lovely lady that we rent the scooter from,
She has made us peach jam.
we've got peach jam to enjoy at home. But yeah, this bakery section's pretty good. Like every Lidl, it's huge. Breads, sourdoughs, garlic breads even. We're not actually buying coffee today because we've got some at home, but these are the kind of prices you can expect. Massive tub of Nescafe there for £5. Well, an even bigger one there for 25. It's crazy. But yeah, big selection. Always
Yeah, they have everything. Pods,
coffee pods here. Yeah, that's the price for coffee pods. Filter coffees. Yeah, massive selection. So this is the Greek yogurt section, something that we eat quite a lot of, and they've got a massive selection.
This is our favourite one. This is the one that we choose the most.
So this one's 2% fat, so you get a little bit of the flavour from full fat, but without all of the calories. They've got the full fat options, which are delicious too. But yeah, the 2% one works for us, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And that is that a kilo? Yeah,
Yes.
1 kg for £3.95. That makes up a big part of our breakfast most days, doesn't it?
Yeah, quite often have that with a banana.
Cool. Calimera. This is a beautiful breakfast that Joe's prepared in our brand new coffee cups and with a beautiful peach jam that the guys at Golden Mile gave us yesterday, and we're really looking forward to eating. Lunch.
We do a traditional Greek salad for lunch. So here we are, cheese, we need some feta.
And there's a massive selection. You can even get 2 kgs there. It looks like it's, there you go, 2 kgs for €10.80 basically, which is crazy. But we don't need that, so we're only for a couple of days, so what else will we get?
Just a little one for us. Probably still too.
$2.99 400 grams. $2.89 400 grams. One of those?
Yeah, sure.
I'm just going to go with this. It's still pretty big.
It is.
I know, that's my hand.
The one down there.
Huh?
I was looking at the one down there.
Oh, let's see what
$2.59, yeah.
I don't know. Go with $2.59. Why not? It's the same size. So all of that for £3.59. So this is an essential ingredient, right?
Yes. And a nice firm one.
I'm pretty sure that side means product of Greece. Imagine it does. What do you think? I was telling you where they come from.
It doesn't say on it.
They're not going to come from far, are they? That's for sure.
No, and we have been over here before. I can't actually remember which trip it was, when onions were obviously in season.
Yeah.
And you see the local people and young children literally carrying sacks of onions around to sell on the backs of vans.
Okay, so these
Yes,
are what we like to have in a Greek salad, aren't they?
they are. We like these.
Yeah, these are nice.
You get both on the island, don't you? Some places do them with these green ones, which is also really nice.
Yeah.
Slightly more bitter.
Yeah.
But we quite like these.
Yeah, they're less harsh, aren't they? Are we going to get enough for dinner as well?
Can do.
Yeah, because we're going to want some salad for dinner as well, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay, good idea. Right, what's next, Joe?
Cucumbers.
So you've opted for the baby ones,
I
right?
have. I think they're nice because at home we only have like the standard size cucumber or the really, really mini ones.
Yeah.
So, and these are like, it's really nice.
They're good. They're good. They've got a bit more flavour, haven't they?
Yeah, they're super fresh as well.
Okay, so we're just going to grab a pack of these corn flour and bitters because they're really nice when you just warm them up on the charcoal that you've got going anyway. And they're on special offer right now. €1 for all of that. Crazy. Would you mind putting that in our black bag, please?
Absolutely.
I think I'm going to zip it up, so.
Set up. It's a set up. Gonna have to display it even more now. Look at that. Look at that beautiful bag. Nice logo. Beautiful villa.
Whoever designed that logo is a clever person, aren't they?
Calamira.
Clever people. The famous olive section. We like the kind of purpley ones, don't we?
We do.
Which are them?
Yep.
Alright, so they are £1.79.
And I think
very good.
I think that was part of the reason why we originally bought those ones, because they were the least expensive, and yeah, they're just so nice. There's no, you're not substituting any flavour. They're really good.
And there you go. Ready to pay?
There we go.
So from our very simple and very rudimentary kitchen, Joe has made a delicious Greek salad. Okay, we're at the next stop, which is Piperis, OK Groceries. Really nice place. Gonna go and see what meat they've got on offer.
They always have really lovely meat.
We've usually got a lot in the summertime, haven't they?
Yeah, kebabs, burgers,
Yep.
whole chickens, sausages, everything you can imagine.
And the food's delicious. I
The
think
people are really nice too. The lady behind the counter, she's always really friendly.
oh yeah, she blows kisses.
She does. Yeah.
Go.
Aw.
Let's go and see if she's in there. Oh, this is one of the few places around here we can get bags of ice as well. You know, bags of ice in that freezer there. Whoa, look at all the dry aged meat. Couple of steaks. Ribeyes. I think that's a sirloin.
Yes.
Strip line they call it over here. Then we have
Big kebabs.
yeah,
Big kebabs.
that's it, that's what we normally get, right? So that's the chicken ones.
Yeah.
$9.80 a kilo. Right, that's not expensive. Those burgers are delicious. So nice.
Be your window wiper.
Chicken burgers?
Yeah, I reckon so.
I think it's
Only
pork
that's
kebabs.
chicken.
Marinated pork. That's what you need to learn. The names of like meats and stuff.
Try and speed up.
And then you've got all like separates. Chicken wings. Okay, Joe's going to go and order what we want in Greek.
No.
Huh?
No.
Okay, we've got burgers here. $4.20, and we've got chicken kebabs. $5.19. We probably don't need that much food. It's so nice.
€9.39.
So, yeah, so the chicken kebabs were around £4 and the burgers were around £3.50. So 2 chicken kebabs that are already marinated with peppers.
And they are huge chunks of chicken as well. They're never show.
No, not at all. But that's not bad, is it? £2 each.
No, it's amazing.
For that much chicken. So what we'll do is we'll cook it later and show you what it looks like. We'll charcoal up, but they are. They're very good. Chef's kiss. Okay. So on this shop we didn't need it, but if we added in coffee, milk and water for the week, it would probably come to around €17. So if we take our average daily shop, which is around €25 for some really high quality produce, and we add in the coffee, milk and water, it's going to come to around €192. Let's say we added in a couple of bottles of good local wine. That's really cheap. We could easily get by on a total weekly budget of around €200 for both of us. Breaks down to €100 each, works out to around €14 per day for delicious food, all locally sourced. Hope you've enjoyed learning about how much things actually cost on the island and how much it costs us to live and survive whilst doing our Greek island house renovation. Check out the playlist if you want to see more. Please feel free to subscribe by pressing the button in the top right hand corner, and we hope to see you all again very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching.